Hello, everybody. I'm gonna be doing some trading this next week. It's something totally new for me, future markets, and I'm going to record this, put on YouTube. Maybe somebody can get some benefits out of this. I'm gonna be using this platform, Take Profit Trade, and I am trying to choose which market I'm going to be operating. And here in Take Profit website, I already kind of analyze, check all these assets. The latest one that I'm investigating is this one. Out of this list, I have to choose one. So far, what I like the most is the copper and Bitcoin. Those are the one that I'm probably going to be working. Let's see how this one, the Russell 2000 future work. All this market will be future. How this one look? One day? No, I don't want to analyze one day. I want to analyze, and let's say 1 year, a little bit more. Why not? I'm using Yahoo Finance to analyze this, but Yahoo Finance doesn't going to give me the tools that I need. No, I will go out of Yahoo Finance. It doesn't look bad because I have seen a good uptrend here, but I'm going to be working way shorter period of time. This one looked good. It passed already the first step, but I want to do something more details. Let me go to my friend trading view. Here we have Russell, and let's take it more seriously because it doesn't look bad in long term doing all this. But wait a second, it's too close to all-time high. And this new strategy that I'm going to be doing, I don't want to work with markets that are in all-time high. This is weekly candle. We start in 2020 all the way till now. Nobody. I am not trading this. The trend is your friend, which is nice. The last week have been amazing, but we have 3 weeks here. And those 3 weeks, there is some resistance, obviously, there. And I don't want to be part of that resistance. Thank you. No. We have 3 weeks being rejected and that resistance. I don't want to open Fibonacci or anything like that. I don't care what is making that resistance happen. I can put Fibonacci from this point, but I will not trade that one. I got other options. I got other market to trade. Thank you, Yahoo Finance. Forget about this trading view. The rest is trash. Probably I'm going to pay an account. Micro Euro Forex. Thank you. I don't do Forex. Micro Ether. Let's take a look to Ethereum. The record is going good. Also, I want to use this new website that I just find, koifish.com, based on the AI told me that is good. I never have used it. You're all set. Get a start with Koifish as long as you give me the information of what I'm looking for. But no, Koifish definitely doesn't have the Ethereum. The MET is the Ethereum for the MSC or the Chicago future, whatever. No, buddy, you don't have it. MET. Let's see if my friend has it. Forget about trading view. MicroStrategy. This is 1 day candle. Let me just put it weekly to see some trend here. We start here and since from 2023. I don't care what happened before. This is just pure looking at the graph and trying to read, understand, get an opinion. Look a little similar to Bitcoin. 1 week down, 3 week up. Let me check here. But we have to switch this to whatever. Before I start the record, I did analyze the market, copper, Bitcoin. I didn't record that. I said, man, I know. Let me analyze it. Put it out there. Maybe somebody will watch it. Any question, comment below. You can contact me. I can do a little bit of mentoring. Overall, I'm like a lonely wolf. I do my thing myself. Alone, take care of myself. Happy if the YouTube video have a lot of life. No, I don't care anyway. I make money out of my investment, not out of YouTube. Anyway, Bitcoin, 1 week down, 2 weeks up. Ethereum, 1 week down, 2 Sorry, 1 week down, 2 weeks up. I don't. Out of curiosity, Ethereum went down 21%. Bitcoin went down 13%. Sell Bitcoin, buy altcoin. Sell altcoin, buy Bitcoin. Jose, when are you going to do that strategy that you just mentioned, buddy? When? Eventually. After hitting so many losses as I have had. This is 2025. I care what happened in 2025. Yes, boom. I do care what happened in 2025. Why? Because the volume is here. The volume is there. And I need to definitely there is correlation between Bitcoin and hands down. Doesn't need rocket science. Do I do this one? Yeah, I'm gonna do this one. Actually no, I don't want this over there. I put that in the wrong place. That doesn't give me what I want. This gives me what I want. This is the high of the volume. This is the low of the volume. We are below the low of the volume. By the way, why I didn't put that here in the Bitcoin? I want to see it in Bitcoin too. It's the second one. And I want to analyze this. Well, where I want to start this analysis. Why I did this back here? I don't know what I was thinking at that moment. I just know what I want to see now. And what I want to see now is this. Oh, show yourself. This is what I want. From here, how the hell I play this thing? Embarrassing, I don't remember. Do I have to pay to have that tool? Just out of curiosity. Whatever. If this thing doesn't play out, I don't need it because probably I'm going to invest in Bitcoin so far. Let me continue here in Ethereum to see a little bit more the volume in this point. Perfect. Here we are in 2026. I think that I was analyzing something too big. Let's analyze this little tiny thing because anyway, it makes sense. The volume is low. I was ready to hit here the trash can to remove everything or remove everything. 2025. What happens is that long-term trader going to analyze the market this way, even though I'm gonna be doing short-term. Even if I'm going to be short-term trading, I want to follow the trend of the market. And the trend of the market is that these have to go up. What happened is that already June, the crypto market have got a big hit. A lot of things went down, which means that we already had 21% down Ethereum this month. We are half of the month. Are we going to have another 21% down the rest of the month? No, that doesn't going to happen. I think so. Let me change this to daily and get closer to my final. I want to remove all indicator. This is the daily and this start on February. That is what I want. I'm already pretty confident that I'm going to do some future trading on this. Hell yes. A very low price at this moment. I'm going to start doing that. This already is spiking. This already is spiking down here because it matched with this over here, which this is the new paradigm of the market. The market readjusts, reassess value, keep working. It keeps working. Now, from here we have the last 7 days, 8 days. Do that recover? The market went down 1%. The market went up 3%. This is the percentage fluctuation, 1%. This market. I will work this. Let me do the final volume. Let me see if I can add. I was trying to add it. Voila, I have it. Good. I was thinking that I wasn't able to analyze this. Side is 30. It went all the way 15. This RSI with an RSI of 30. That situation. Let me add the RSI here. I was trying to add the RSI and I wasn't able to add it. Not pretty good. I don't have time for you. Love you. Goodbye. Relative Strength Index. Kambari. I was looking for you. I don't know why. TradingView is not giving me the RSI. It's supposed to be up here, down here. Trash RSI. Let me refresh the page. Reload. Let me try to put an RSI here to get a second confirmation of what I'm looking for. Shit. Oh no, I didn't lose everything. I thought that I lost everything. Like the volume part. Even though, who can see anything there? I did so much. and everything come back. I just want to take a look to the RSI to get ready to gamble a little bit. Indicators. Yes, I know I'm using too many things. Don't worry, I will clean everything. Remove 7 and the 3 indicator. Remove everything. Shit, screw it. Give me only RSI. Simple moving hours. No, no. What happened? Oh, I removed the RSI from the I. RSI strength. Let me do this to double check. Where is the RSI? 40, the 14 days. Now you can kill me. I'm sorry, but I don't have idea what is the difference between the yellow line. The yellow line should be the average, and the purple line should be the real RSI. Let me double check. Strength, favorite, and I don't want to have this one. What happened to you? Remove 2 indicator and let me add only the purple one. No, this one. This one is all the way this stuff. I don't want that stuff. I don't want that information. With an RSI of 36 and it has an RSI of 30. I don't want to waste more of my time. I'm going to give to my friend this one as an auction. I've been investing in crypto for a long period of time and I'm biased toward it. MET. I have to. I got 3 trades here. Maybe that is enough. And let me try to find 3 more. Micro, crude, oil, future. I will not touch oil. S&P 500. My friend want to do the S&P 500. I didn't want to do gold. Oh my goodness. I was thinking, I was considering what happened to this place. The AI told me that I can use this website, and I'm so stubborn that I want to make it happen. I don't want to depend only in Vanguard. Wolf found is gold what I'm looking for, buddy. What says here? Let me double check. My dyslexia here says gold. Simple and clear. I'm not misreading anything. Okay, you know what? I try, give you a chance. I don't going to use you. I'm going to end up paying these people for the service. I will get an account with them. Try to find a good discount code. Today's day is time that you're going to buy something. Ask for discount. They are there. It's for you to use it. Company will take advantage of you. Every day you try to reduce that somebody else to inflate the pockets of company. Don't be part of the cattle that inflate prices. Here we have my friend gold. We're in the weekly. I saw already everything that I need to see. I should check this. Why not? This is what I'm here for. No, I'm going to start back here. Too far. So what? We are below. That is what I want to be. I'm struggling when doing shorts, but I have to practice and learn more doing shorts. This is marked down here and this is marked higher. Long term is low. The longer term, the one that I open first, it gives me the price lower. The biggest moment that the biggest amount of volume happen was at a lower price than what it is right now. And the other one is giving me a higher price. I'm pretty sure the RSI will indicate. Actually, this is the average. The moving average is indicating it was indeed going up and volume was going up. You see back here, look at here. Volume was bigger, volume was lower, moving average was going higher, which indicate the consequence of this volume being higher than this volume. This volume is more recent. This volume comes from an older period of time, more volume. Let me remove everything. And let me analyze one more time with this other one. This is the one. Where do I start? October. Still being good to get in. All the activity is happening below current price. A higher price than what it is right now. Which means it should go higher. Let me take a look to the RSI. Relative Strange Index. I don't want the simple moving average. Let's leave the simple moving average there. Then RSI was 36. Actually, wow. Wait a second. RSI 36 gold. RSI 30 Ethereum. RSI 36 36 Bitcoin, 36 gold. Do I going to get into this? What happened here? This looked like a good recovery actually. Come here, was just the 11th, Thursday. This was Friday, and look the price. I like this action. Let me check to here. Actually, from here to here, it went up 4%. It went up. I'm gonna go definitely. Let me see which one my friend gonna do and which one I gonna do. I think that we're going to do three future contract, each one of us. I already have copper, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I got three. Let me add gold. Ticket symbol is MGC. Well, four done, two more to go. NASDAQ. I love you, NASDAQ. I love you, NASDAQ. Let me see how it look like NASDAQ at this point. Look like the recording is doing well. NASDAQ. Let's see next week. Oh my goodness. I don't have idea if we're going to survive. I have to be positive 5 days. Doesn't have to be consecutive, but I have to be positive during 5 days. CME, M, and Q. This is what I'm looking for. Give it to me. Hello, Trading View and MQ. Sorry guys for double checking like 10 times. I double check things 10 times. I don't like making mistake even though I do too many, especially investing. No, let me go weekly. No, well, I'm weekly. NASDAQ. Do NASDAQ go there? Technology is going up. AI is going up. Everybody's happy. Military contracts have to go up because we are killing people in the Middle East. It's our national sport here in the US. From here to here. This whole thing, this is just curiosity. Just basic stuff. We got 357 days. 365, 365 is a year. I was thinking in Spanish and translating to English. 365, 357. Almost a year. Now, we'll repeat that. We go this to have quite good time, but the increase here was 7%. The increase here was this went up 90. Is this went up 90? I just have to replay this one. Let me try to see the size. Still have some room to go. Still have some little wiggle room to go from to here. How can I do that math? Anyway, we got a little bit of room here. This trend will go up. This trend will go up. Weekly. Let me take a look daily. A lot of volume recently. Wow. This one is one day each candle. It lose all the energy. It went down but recovered and recovered very hard. This is one day. This was the 11th. Wow, last Thursday was amazing. Now, it can be 3 consecutive days going up. Hell yes, look at this. 3, 4, 5 days going up. Yeah, less percentage number, but it happened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What about if we do 6 days going up here? I would do this challenge that I need to do for 5 days to have my account here in take profit. I wish. I'm gonna work this. Oh, my friend will choose it. Let's see. But yeah, I wanna work this trend up RSI. What is my RSI? Boom. Oh my goodness, yes, I have too many on. Don't play with me. Simple moving hours. Leave it there. Give me a trading view. Take it away. I will pay 12 stupid dollar a month. I would pay that. Of course, not with money from YouTube because I'm not making money from YouTube. RSI is what I'm looking for. Perfect. Why that RSI is so high? Well, it is what it is. Don't blame the messenger. Blame the news. I'm not guilty. RSI is telling me I'm not guilty. I'm the messenger. Oh, because we oversold for a long time up here. Well, RSI technically can go up to 70 and everything do good. And we are 50. We are 54. We have previous history that RSI recently, from April to now, RSI have been 3 times over 70. It's a lot of uptrend. recently. Now, I can go back and do some shopping, little fluctuation, little volatility right here. We can do something like this and go up again to 70, which means worst case scenario, we're just going to be up and down exactly from 50 something. I want to say 40, from 50 something to 40. Option B, retake this trend and touch 70. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, a good investment to play as Warren Buffett, value investor, long-term investor. I do that with all the kind of thing. This future is speculation. And because this future thing that I'm going to do is speculation, welcome to the NASDAQ 100. I'm going to do it. Worst case scenario, I will lose $90. It's okay. Best case scenario, my account will become from a test account to a pro account, some things like that, whatever fancy name, would allow me to do real investment and do the other trade that I'm planning to. And probably I will record them too. Just follow the channel if you want. And let me know in the comment how's going on in your world. NYM, micro, Dow Jones. Okay, I like Dow Jones. And I can use leverage because, of course, you don't going to find volatility in the Dow Jones. But you just add leverage to anything, and suddenly you have all the crazy volatility that you want. Dow Jones Industrial Average Index Future YM. Okay, look the same thing. 57. Hey, Dow Jones and NASDAQ at 57. I don't want to trade at 57. Prefer to trade below 50. This is daily. Let me take a look at weekly. No, high. RSI high, price is high. Momentum have been losing, definitely, you see. 3 big candles, the rest haven't been that amazing. Probably I need to see one big candle like these 3 down here. And after that, I said, okay, maybe we'll repeat this again. Because, yeah, you need to see a big candle, some momentum, and put it. I would not do it. I see that. I think that is like hammock, like I think this kind of candle is called hammock. When you have like the volume was up here, but the price suddenly went down here and recovered quick, went down with a little volume. Somebody was trying to push it down. The market resist and make this. I think that this is a good pattern to show boom, will go up, which is actually the opposite here. Somebody was trying to push the price up. The price didn't went up. Bear won. Boom. Red candle. This one was more beautiful. Yeah, this was great. But I don't need to do the Dow Jones. I don't need to jump into this. No, thank you. Leave. Yeah, and leave. Bye-bye. NG. What is this, buddy? Henry Hub natural gas. No, thank you. I don't do energy. I hate energy. I'm afraid of energy. NASDAQ 100. This thing probably is the same thing as this one. Micro, real, whatever. It's the same thing. Silver. Ooh, come on. I like it. Silver. Let's see how silver look. Let's see how it look when I lose my $90. Come on, silver. Don't fail me. Please. Silver 41 out of sight. Good entry point. Silver going down as crazy, even leaving gaps here. That's somebody trying to break the gap. Good. Pooh! You was hit down. We will fill that gap eventually. You know, I'm going to do long-term trading. When this gap, when somebody market trying to, what I'm saying this thing. Anyway, just an idea. I'm not financial advisor. Just an idea. The market eventually will do something like this, trying to fill this gap, trying to go above this candle, reach this candle, and break a little up. And right at that moment, you just put all your money and you become a millionaire because this go up. Or maybe you will lose everything because it will go down. I don't care. No. So this can be a good for all the kind of strategy. There is not what I'm trying to do at this point. But wow, silver. Now, let's go more serious and to what I'm looking for here. I'm happy doing the video for you guys, but I'm doing this for myself. I have to do this analysis myself. I'm just sharing with you. Thank you. Thank me. Let's see. I have this button down here. I don't care. The volume have a lot of things to tell me. I feel it. And I will start here. Okay. Tell me, volume. What just happened here? Tell me, Mr. Volume. Well, Mr. Volume is telling me that I still below. But look, the difference between this one is almost like nothing, which means this volume down here, this volume up here, of course, the volume up here is bigger, is what it won that beautiful line telling you, hey, there is a lot of volume down there. But I will tell you, at this point, with that little line, that is the line of the price, not line of volume or anything like that, but that line March, the end of this. This is interesting. What's going to happen on Monday with silver would be interesting, in my opinion. Because even though this volume is telling you I'm the big boss, seeing this volume telling you, no, I'm the big boss. You know why? Because I'm going to take this price, boom, and sending up all the way till 75 from 250. Now, let me use out of curiosity because I need to make, how much is Jose? I think it's 6%. I don't know. I have to have 5 day consecutive making money positive. But on top of that, I have to reach a specific percentage. Amazing! Who won 10%? Anybody that won 10% is welcome to buy silver and sell at 275. I'm gonna do this. I'm feeling it. This is trading and market analysis, graph analysis is like the horoscope, like zodiac. Market trading, like graph analysis for markets, is the zodiac for males. Nice joke, finance joke. Silver, I'm going all in. Ready to lose $90? Just do the same that Jose is doing. You're welcome. Silver. Silver. With V. Boy, I'm gonna win big. Oil, no. Gold, I did already. Russell, what happened with the Russell? I think they're analyzing. I didn't like it. Did I like the Russell? Oh my goodness, so embarrassing. I don't even remember. This is the copper, yes. Bitcoin, yes. Russell, what I did? Oh yeah, you are too high. Nobody. Let somebody else to play with this volatility that will happen all the way up here. No, thank you. Okay, silver. The next one. The next one. Just crush my back. Wiki. Oil, no. Gold, yeah. Russell. Ultra US Treasury Bond Future. No, thank you. I don't play with fiat. Fiat is trash. Fiat is worthless. Fiat is paper. Dow Jones. Oh my goodness. I already did the Dow Jones, right? No, I said that the Dow Jones no for the same reason that I say Russell and S&P 500 no. Everybody's predicting a crash. I think that we crack the code and there will be no more crash in the future. Inflation, yes. More poor people, yes. Small amount of rich people owning everything, hell yes. Crash in the market, nah. Corn, I'm not a farmer. I don't know how to buy corn. I just know how to plant it. Treasury corn, T note. That is treasury note too. Soybean, hell no. Soybean, no. 10 years. Chicago, what the hell is that? Wheat. No, weed or wheat? Weed. 420. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Well, it was a pleasure. I think that I finished picking what I'm going to start trading future contract for the first time in my damn life. We chose copper, Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, silver. Wish me good luck. And by the way, just to let you know, what I'm doing is I got a YouTube channel. Well, I mean, to be more professional doing this video. Okay, guys, so much. And if you want, just follow, comment, blah, blah, those things. Thank you. Bye.